Soya beans are a very delicious and very nutritious food. So here is a simple way on how to prepare a very soft and yet crunchy soya bean snack. All you need is soya beans, vegetable cooking oil, and salt to taste. We shall begin by soaking our soya beans for about 4 hours with room temperature water. So I think you can see that our soya beans have been now well soaked. We are going to dry this water out. We first drain it and then dry using either a paper towel or just any normal kitchen towels. So I'm going to drain out the extra water using this kitchen towel. We are draining out extra water. You either use a paper towel or just any normal kitchen towel. Just make sure it is a clean one. So we put them in a saucepan and add in vegetable cooking oil. Keep stirring in evenly until they are ready. They will turn brownish and crispy. When the nibbling stick is finally going through easily, keep stirring and don't stop because they will get burnt. Keep stirring as you monitor carefully as they turn slightly golden brown and become more crispy. They are almost ready to serve. So carefully, we put our soya beans into the cooking oil. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we sprinkle salt to our soya beans. Mix the salt well and set them to rest. When they have cooled down, you can serve and snack on. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep watching, keep liking, keep commenting, and keep sharing. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to hit the subscribe button so that you are notified every time there is a new upload. Bye bye.